cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some chicken parts here. I'm going to make sesame oil chicken. It is very simple, but there are few things for you to take note also. Yeah. First of all, I have a few pieces of sliced ginger. Actually, the more the merrier. And this is approximately, I would say, about 300-400 grams of chicken parts. Any parts would be good. Cut into chunks, and you can marinate it with some light soy sauce and oyster sauce if you like. If you don't, you can straight away cook it, also can. First of all, we are going to put a little bit of oil here, and we are going to fry out some ginger shortly. Let's heat up the oil first. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's add some sesame oil together with the normal vegetable oil. Don't use pure sesame oil. If you use pure sesame oil to start, your dish can come out bitter as well. Yeah. So usually I would like to mix some vegetable oil and some sesame oil together. Like this way, you can get the nice fragrance, nice aroma from the sesame oil, but it will not become bitter. Now I can smell the very aromatic sesame oil aroma. So we are going to saute the ginger until it started to brown. As you can see from here, the ginger started to brown, and I can now smell the mixture between the ginger and also the sesame. And that is the kind of base flavor we wanted for this particular dish. Ginger and sesame. Then we can actually put in the chicken. And let's saute the chicken a little bit. You're going to infuse the chicken with the sesame and also ginger aroma. Recently, Appa's wife likes to eat more chicken breast, so I'm actually cooking more chicken breast for her. How do you choose chicken breast which is not too tough? Very easy. Just use a normal farm chicken, but much larger ones. Ampa is using a farm chicken here, but this farm chicken is close to 3 kg. It's a very huge one, meaning they still elaborate it for a very long time period, at least 3 months. And it gives you, it's similar to free-range chicken. It gives you deeper chicken flavor, but the meat will not be as tough like free-range chicken. And it's less oily as well. I get it from the local wet market. So next thing, we are going to tune down the heat a little bit. This is the time we are going to put in some flavors, seasoning. 1 round of light soy sauce. Ooh, some oyster sauce. Some dark soy sauce. I got a new dark soy sauce from Lee Kam Kee. It says it doesn't taste bitter. So I'm giving it a try. Because a lot of dark soy sauce will make your dish bitter, yeah, if you add too much. This is some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. I'm finishing my 1 bottle. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Singapore or Shopee Malaysia. For those interested, for those who are not interested, don't worry about it. Then I'm going to give it some southing wine. Of course, we don't take alcohol. You can omit the southing wine. Now we can actually raise the heat to medium high. We still want to give it some salt, yeah? And it would be good to give it a little bit of sugar. Actually, oyster sauce also contains sugar. Let's give it a few stir. Wow. Next thing, I'm going to add in some filtered water. And we shall bring this to a boil. We'll come back shortly. So once you see it started to boil, we can put in the lid, tune down to medium low or medium, and we shall cook it for minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Then it is almost done. That's how simple it is to make some sesame oil chicken. But there is one more thing I'm going to add towards the end right before serving. Stay tuned. So this is after close to 15 minutes. You can see the sauce, everything has reduced by itself. Almost done. And the sauce has already thickened out also. One more thing, right before you want to serve, wow, super fragrant right now. Very important, don't forget, is sesame oil. This is how you can make it very sesame aroma. I mean, filled with a lot of sesame aroma. Alright, it's basically done. That's how simple it is to make sesame oil chicken at home. Enjoy your dinner with your family. That's how simple it is to cook sesame oil chicken at home. I'm going to give it a bit of greens, yeah, just for the garnishing, that's all. So if you like my very simple video today, if you do share my video on Facebook to friends, come to Cooking Apa Facebook page, you click like and follow button, follow up on the Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.